Hello, I'm going to show you how to reset Google Authenticator on Bybit. So first of all, go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the home page. Click on Settings and then select Clear Cache to clear your phone's cache. Also, try to force quit your Bybit app in your recent apps drawer. Relaunch your app after a few minutes and attempt another login. If closing the app or reopening your browser did not work, you may have an issue with your internet speed or reliability. Please ensure that you are using a VPN. If you are using one, it may compromise the time synchronization and your internet speed, so please disable it first and try to log in again. Also, on the app you can check your network by clicking on the profile icon at the top left corner of the home page. Click on About Us and go to Network Test. If your network is not good, please head Settings, then click Switch Routing and select a different routing option. You can also try disconnecting and reconnecting your Wi-Fi or mobile connection to improve the network connection. If none of the steps above are successful, you may have an issue with the Google Authenticator binding, in which case you may want to unbind and rebind your GA again.